Good morning, everybody. No, it's not morning. It's already 1:45 in the midday. This is my another walk, another day. Our walk with my two friends here. Everyday walk here in the Hyde Park. Every day you see differences from these geese and oh my God, there's so much birds today. I think it's just because the day is really nice. Look at that. So nice. Okay. I have vlogged this already and I have spoken as well to someone who regularly comes and feed them. The old gentleman. This is the day. This day is the... Oh, I don't know. It's December. I don't know the day. I think it's the 14th. Yes, it's the 14th. 15th. 15th of December. Come on, Rita. All right, I'll walk you through. Come with us and follow us and join this beautiful day with this beautiful sunny day with these nice birds. This is in fact in the middle of London, the Hyde Park. Look at that. We're enjoying the sunshine. Oh, look. Okay, come, follow us. Oh, look at this geese. So much. That must be the father. That must be the king of them all. He's the huge one. Ah. She's just so calm. Just imagine how so beautiful it is. I don't know what that one got. Ah, look at that. Oop, oop. Oh, that one is angry at those. There's so many kinds. Oh, look at that. Oh, the thing is when you stand here, they think you have some food for them. Oh, yes, good, great. Can I take a picture as well while you're doing it? Thank you. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. They're bigger than you guys. You have to be scared.
Hello. Can I touch them?
Except the black one. Yeah, of course. The brown one is very
Hi. Hiya.
okay, be nice, okay? Good.
I
good.
love dogs.
They're very, yeah, good boy. Good boy. You can be patted if you behave. Sometimes
Yeah.
you are very.
Come, baby. Is he biting? Is he like?
Yeah, he just like suddenly opened his mouth. Yeah.
Come.
But the brown
The
Ziggy.
brown.
Yeah.
Ziggy.
Oh. Oh, good girl, Zig. Oh, look at that.
No, my friend.
Oh. Oh no, he's following you now.
My boy, you got a big boy.
Yeah,
Anyway.
like if you start feeding them, you'll never stop.
No, but this one's huge.
If you do it regularly, do they know you at then?
Good dog.
I have no idea. But I'm scared of birds. Honestly, I am scared of birds. Like I am. So there are parrots there. I don't know if you.
Oh, in
like,
there.
Like there. Yeah. Some are there.
Ah.
There are parrots, and they just sit on you, and I'm always scared to pass the road because they're just sitting on you, and it's like, oh, I hate it.
Susie, look, he's gonna eat my hand.
Oh. Anyway, guys.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it was
Bye.
lovely to meet you. Bye.
Yeah. You're gonna be on YouTube, okay? If you don't mind.
No,
Oh, yay! Hey, you're right. Yeah. Oh, this is the closest ever I have been into a geese, to a swan. Oh, Ziggy, you're so scared. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys. Oh, there's a black one. So nice. Okay, guys, this is another day, vlog here in Hyde Park. I hope you enjoyed it. I always love coming here. You have enjoyed that close encounter with the swans. So nice. I love coming here. I'm so lucky. We're so lucky to have these things in London. It is. It's gosh. It's because of windy. My eyes so watery all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodbye and goodbye from this too.